Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to create stunning infographics using Wepik. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Wepik and select an infographic from the template options that suit your needs. Don't worry, every aspect of the template is customizable. Once you've selected a template, it will open in Wepik's user-friendly editor. To personalize, simply click on the element you wish to change. Let's start with strong titles and headings. Your title should be clear, and they should accurately reflect the content of your infographic. Remember to use clear and concise language. Your infographic is meant to be informative, so use language that is easy to understand. Now it's time to add high-quality images or graphics. Images and graphics can help to break up text and make your infographic more visually appealing. Explore our collection of icons and stickers, and don't forget to use a consistent color scheme. This will help to create a cohesive look for your infographic. Once you're happy with your infographic, you can download it as a PNG file. You can also share your infographic on social media. That's all. You've just created a professional-looking infographic. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with different templates and elements. That's Wepik, design made easy for your business.